Okay, can I just think for 1 second?
Take your time.
Okay.
Are you tired of constantly trying to impress women and failing to earn their respect? Have you ever wondered if there's a way to gain a woman's admiration without even trying? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll explore some tips on how to get a woman to respect you without even trying. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of effortless respect. Number 4. Be independent. Being independent means that you're able to take care of yourself, make your own decisions, and live your life on your own terms. Women are often attracted to men who are independent because it shows that they're confident, self-assured, and capable. When you're independent, you don't need someone else to take care of you, and that can be a very attractive quality. One of the key aspects of being independent is taking responsibility for your life. This means that you're accountable for your own actions and decisions, and you don't blame others for your problems. Developing your own interests and hobbies is also an important part of being independent. When you have something that you're passionate about, you don't need someone else to entertain you or make you happy. Independence is an attractive quality, so don't be afraid to embrace it and live your life on your own terms. Number 3. Don't be clingy. I know it can be tempting to want to be with your crush all the time, constantly texting and calling her and trying to plan every single moment of your day around her schedule. But trust me, this is not the way to earn her respect. Being clingy is actually a major turnoff for most women. It can make you come across as needy, insecure, and even a little bit creepy. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be with someone like that. So how can you avoid being clingy? Well, it all starts with setting healthy boundaries. It's important to have your own life, hobbies, and interests outside of your relationship. This shows your crush that you're a well-rounded person who has a lot going on in your life, and that you're not just waiting around for her to give you attention. Number 2. Control your emotions. This may sound like a daunting task, but it's actually much simpler than you might think. The first step in controlling your emotions is to become more aware of them. Pay attention to how you feel in different situations, and try to identify patterns in your emotional responses. For example, do you tend to get angry when someone disagrees with you? Or do you feel anxious in unfamiliar social situations? Once you understand your emotional triggers, you can start working on managing them more effectively. It's also important to take care of your physical and mental health in order to control your emotions. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in regular exercise. These basic self-care practices can go a long way in helping you feel more balanced and centered, which in turn can help you control your emotions more effectively. Number 1. Increase your value. It's important to understand that respect is earned, not given. You can't force someone to respect you, but you can take steps to increase your value in their eyes. One way to do this is by improving yourself. Work on your physical fitness, hygiene, and personal style. Dressing well and taking care of your appearance can make a big difference in how people perceive you. Another way to increase your value is by developing your skills and talents. Whether it's playing an instrument, cooking, or being an expert in a particular field, having skills and talents that you can share with others is an attractive quality. Not only does it make you interesting, but it also shows that you're dedicated and passionate about something. Lastly, be authentic and genuine. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to be interested in things you're not just to impress others. People can sense when someone's being fake, and it's a major turnoff. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Remember, respect is earned. So focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the respect will follow. So, there you have it. By taking the time to work on yourself, improving your skills, and developing your talents, being reliable and staying true to yourself, you can increase your value in the eyes of a woman without even trying. Remember, respect is earned, not given. And by being the best version of yourself, you'll naturally attract respect and admiration of those around you. So, go ahead and start working on yourself today and watch as your value increases in the eyes of the woman you're interested in. Good luck. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.